Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FARHAN with ZAMZIBA, PhD ISTAC student with this project. Prof. Dr. RAHMAH binti Haji Ahmad OSMAN from IUM, and Dr. ANWAR bin AHMAD IUM, and Al-Rasikhin from AKAMAI Technology is from industry. So, in short, this research explain our design and develop learning Arabic numbers through Minecraft education. First of all, uh, Minecraft is famous sandbox community game in which player can explore, construct and interact with nearly endless environment made up of 3D blocks. Player can construct structures, harvest material, and embark on various adventures in a highly configurable world. Minecraft education is designed for educational use, delivering engaging, hands-on experience to boost learning. This platform promotes creativity, critical thinking, and teamwork, making it a unique tool for teaching a variety of disciplines, including Arabic language. So we design Arabic number, as you can see here, Wahid, Waw, Alif, Ha, Dal, and then Arabic numeric is 1. So the first one methodology is preparation, and then implementation, interactive learning, and evaluation. Introduction and objective, as you can see here, there are instructions. For example, for Rahman say you need to answer this one. And then Dr. Anwar said, so you need to design. And then Umar said, to need to design the number, there are several tools we need to use. And lastly, as you can see, is enjoyable learning. This one not only individual, but also we can group. This here analysis and conclusion. By leveraging Minecraft education, teacher can transform the process of learning Arabic numbers into an effective adventure. This approach not only enhance the acquisition of Arabic language skills, but also foster creative and teamwork. Alhamdulillah, we also won innovative pedagogy fostering Arabic rhetoric skill bronze MTE this year. Copyright, we also have copyright, and then we also published paper my side, and also we got a gold medal learning Balagat Lepenaya last year, and so on. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.